Hello guys, I'm Ito from SourceUN, and these are the main points you need to know before starting to sourcing watches from China. Let's talk about what you need to include in a watch product specification. This is basically a detailed description of the watch you want to create or source. The more specific you are, the better the outcome. You should include details like the case material. Do you want stainless steel, plastic? And also you need to think about the movement type. Are you looking for quartz, which is battery operated, or automatic, which winds itself as you move? Don't forget about water resistance. How much water exposure can your watch handle? You might want 30 meters for basic splash resistance or 100 meters if it's meant for swimming. Also consider the design elements like dial color, strap material, and buckle type. Finally, make sure to specify any additional features like chronographs, date windows, or luminous hand. All of these details will help your supplier understand exactly what you want, which is crucial for getting the watch you envision. Unit price for different qualities of watches. This is where things can vary a lot depending on the materials and craftsmanship involved. At the lower end, you can find basic watches for just a few dollars per unit. These are usually made with cheaper materials like plastic or low-grade metals. They are great if you are aiming for a budget-friendly line or a promotional product. For mid-range watches, expect to pay anywhere from $10 to $30 per unit. This often features better materials like stainless steel cases, mineral glass, and decent quality movements. These are suitable for a more serious brand that wants to offer quality without breaking the bank. At the high end, prices can go up to $100 more per unit. These watches might include features like a sapphire crystal glass, Swiss movement, and premium leather or metal straps. This range is perfect if you are targeting the luxury market. Remember, the unit price will also depend on the order quantity. The more you order, the lower the price per unit usually is. Let's discuss tooling costs. If you are planning to create a custom design, this is something you definitely need to budget for. Tooling costs refer to the one-time fees for creating the molds or tools needed to produce your unique watch parts. For example, if you want a custom case shape, a new mold has to be created. This can cost anywhere from a few hundred to thousand of dollars, depending on the complexity of the design. But the good news is, once the mold is made, you can use it to produce as many watches as you want. So while tooling costs might seem high up front, they're a necessary investment if you want something truly unique. Just make sure to discuss this cost with your supplier. Before you jump into mass production, it's essential to develop a prototype or request samples. This step is all about making sure the final product matches your expectations. Ask your supplier to send you a sample or prototype based on your specifications. This allows you to check the quality, look, and the feel of the watch. Be prepared to pay a little extra for samples, especially if they require custom tooling. But trust me, it's worth it. This step can save you from costly mistakes and ensure your watch is exactly what you want before you commit to a large order. That's why it's essential to have a robust quality control process in place. You can hire inspectors to check the watches before they leave the factory. Alternatively, you can work closely with your supplier and set clear quality standards. When sourcing watches, it's crucial to understand the product regulation that apply to your target market. Different countries have different rules, so you will need to make sure your watches comply with all the necessary regulations. Finally, let's talk about shipping and logistics. Once your watts are ready, you will need to get them from the factory to your door or to your customers' hands. There are a few different shipping options, each with its own pros and cons. Air freight is faster but expensive. It's a good choice if you need your watts quickly or dealing with smaller quantities. The sea freight, on the other hand, is much cheaper but takes longer, usually several weeks. When choosing a shipping method, consider factors like cost, delivery time, and the size of your order. And don't forget about custom clearance and airport duties, which can add to your costs. It's also a good idea to work with a reliable freight forwarder who can help you navigate the complexities of international shipping. They can coordinate everything from pickup to delivery, making the process much smoother for you. That's all for today. If you need a sourcing company to manage this for you, please check the description for more information about our services. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.